So today I'm going to be making my dream game, which is cool and stuff. Alright, so let's get started. So here's the idea for the game. So basically this game is going to have weapons like Team Fortress 2, and basically the player starts in this nuclear factory which has some sort of a breach, and the entire game you do tasks to fix everything, but at any time enemies can spawn in, so you have to get rid of them, and you can only hold one item at a time. Okay, so I've made a player here which has a camera system where your head can bob up and down. But then the next morning I woke up and was like, hey, why don't I try making some 3D models? So then I carefully opened up Blender and started and tried very hard by myself. Wait, shut up, you're not supposed to show that clip! So then I got this really cool water shader from this guy. Thank you very much again. And then I could convert it into a glue lava thing shader. And whoa, chill out there. And now it's time to make a weapon. So I actually tried in Blender this time, but then I just gave up and bit the bullet. See what I did? Okay, not funny, alright. Okay, and now we have some great visual feedback and a working gun script. Alright, and here we are. So basically I have this script which makes this head bobbing. So I have triggers for walking, idle, and sprinting. And basically on each if statement, here we just see which one is supposed to be active and which one is not. Then I added these speed lines with Photoshop and the particle system. Okay, so now I think it's time to make our map. So we have this nuclear power plant, which is very cool. And I think I'm going to end the video up here because it already took me very long to do all of this. So let's get like 5 likes or like devlog 2. Huh? Alright, bye, subscribe. Also, there might be some new updates on my last game, the Super Square Guy.